Hey good day guys, and in today's video I would like to show you and share with you exactly step by step how we went from 0 to 50,000 Rand in online sales in a matter of 6 weeks. So in today's video of the Bizniz Talk, we would like to discuss and share exactly how we did that for one of our clients. So this is Shane Bichner, founder and owner of the Business Media, and in our weekly show, the Bizniz Talk, we share with you as a small or medium-sized business exactly step by step of how you can transition from selling offline to start selling online. And if you're currently or existing an online retailer or seller, then this will also help you in terms of showing you exactly how to grow and scale your own online business. So me as Shane Bichner, I've spent the last 10 years working within e-commerce, helping various local and international brands starting their online and e-commerce journey. And we're now at a stage where we are using the experience and knowledge that we have gained to be able to assist and help other small business owners exactly like you, showing them exactly step by step of how we did this. So just some context regarding this particular video. So this client has come to us or has approached me to actually help them to launch, grow and scale their online business. And we are currently in the growth phase and stage of their business. So initially they were an offline business where they sold and helped customers with the product that they have been selling. So the initial ask was to help them to firstly develop and build their online store, and that is really much point number one. So when you start or you're looking to transition into an online business, or if you're looking to sell your product and services online, very much you'll be overwhelmed with the amount of options that you have in terms of the design and development of your own online store. For this case, we have opted to go with Shopify as our provider and solution for this. We know that Shopify does have a monthly maintenance or subscription cost that you need to fill, but the reason we went to Shopify for that reason is that they have all the support and functions and features that we would need when we are looking to grow and scale. So it's very easy to integrate applications, whether it's Facebook, Google Shopping, your direct point of sale that you have in store, but also other support options like customer support, couriers and logistics, as well as email communications and email marketing. So opted for that. For that reason, we have opted to go Shopify for that exercise. Secondly is focusing on, so once we have developed and completely built the shop on Shopify, the second kind of point and step was then how do we now start getting customers and traffic to that new online store. So we have done this, and we've been able to achieve this by actually investing in paid media and paid marketing. So we have invested in driving this customers and traffic to the new online store using Facebook, Instagram, as well as Google Shopping. So we started off with those platforms on a very, very small budget, very much across three different objectives. So first being awareness, so getting new customers and traffic to that newly developed and launched online store. Secondly is then getting traffic to the site, so very much selecting that as the objective when selecting Facebook and Instagram ads. And lastly is focus on sales and conversion. So those people that have now visited our website, how do we convert them into a sale? Once we've been able to do that, we have now started to build and develop customer information and customer data. And that kind of takes me on to the third point and the third key of how we developed and how we were able to assist this client with generating more than 50,000 Rand in online sales. We focus very much on customer service. So now the customers have firstly become aware of our online service and our online store, and then now started to see adverts about our business, so on Facebook, Google or Instagram. They are now starting to trust and transact with us. And as we are now getting customers to convert, we focus very much on customer support. So ensuring that when customers have placed an order, that they do receive order notifications, they are communicated to within sufficient time regarding their order. And these points and communication is very much widely available on the website. So whether it is a live chat or support function, or if it is email communication. We also ensured that we, during that process, developed the email database. So we on a regular basis send out emails or emailers to our customers regarding our new services, products, or launch or any promotion that we are currently running. And that is then really much to support on that customer service. We also engage with customers via Messenger as well as Instagram DMs and WhatsApp as well. So we use those applications very much for customer support and service. So if customers have any issues, they have any queries, or they need any assistance with their order or helping them to check out, we ensure that we do communicate to our customers using those platforms. So that is exactly the three kind of main pillars that we are focused on when looking at taking a new business online and starting to operate within the e-commerce and online space. And again, as mentioned, we were able to bring this results within 6 months online by focusing, just in a recap again, firstly on your development of your online store, secondly driving customers and traffic to your platform, and then thirdly being your customer service and support. And if there's anything that you have as a question that you would like for me to answer, whether it is in the comments below or in future videos, you are welcome to leave any comments or suggestions down below. But if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, remember, if you're looking for any assistance or any tips and tricks on showing you exactly how to grow and scale your business online using e-commerce and our marketing strategies, then this channel is just for you, and it's important that you would appreciate it if you do like and subscribe. And if you know of anybody that might find this video useful or helpful for their business, also, feel free to tag them down in the comments below. And that is all for today's video, and thanks very much for you guys for staying tuned and watching until the end. And if you would like to book a free consultation call with me, where I can show you exactly how we can assist and help your business in terms of growing and scaling online, I will leave the link down below in the description, and you can just book a call with me down there. But thanks very much for joining today's video, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.